Welcome to my channel, steveO the Window Cleaner. Today, I just want to show you how to attach one of the new Unger brushes to any water-fed pole that has zero threads that's not one of the new Nlight poles. Any of these brushes are very proprietary to Unger Nlight poles as far as the new Nlights that have been out for the past about 1 or more years as far as that goes. So, let me take this out. So there's a lot of different options as far as these brushes go. This is the radio brush that they just came out. I really liked it as far as this bottom stuff, as far as the bristles to hit like the screen tracks or whatever. So I really wanted to get one of these. So you can get them though with the swivel here or fixed. I just decided to get them fixed. Big thing that everybody always wants to do is they want to use this with another pole that isn't an Nlight pole. Okay, so if you have the Nlight pole, it comes with all the angle adapters to attach everything, all the hoses work the same, blah, blah, blah. Now, if you want to use it with any side of other pole, one thing you're gonna have to have is kind of like one of these angle adapters that have the Euro threads here, and then attach the Euro threads like on a brush that basically go through like this, right? So if I had a Xero pole, Xero M9, I would take out the fast lock adapter here and the brush, and then I would put in the anti-spin tip, tighten that down a bit, and then that's how that would be. And then I would take one of these to attach to the power brush. Now here's the thing, is that if you just want to attach one of these to this, you have to attach it in the threads that are in here. Okay, so there's Euro threads in there that take a male Euro thread socket. Now to do that, this little pencil jet hose here, you have to pull out. Okay, pulls out actually pretty easy. And then if you did it like this and you just use the angle adapter here and you spin that in there, then all you can use is the rinse bar. That's all you can use as far as this brush goes. Makes the pencil jets not work. Now, a very simple modification that if you want to use the rinse bar and you want to use this with any other pole is that you take an angle adapter and you just drill a hole into it, okay? Loop this hose right into here, turn it a bit, get it out. Then you're gonna see the place in here to attach that in. Just push that on, you'll feel it hold. Boom, just like that. Push it down and then just thread it on. Okay, boom, just like that. So now you're able to use the rinse bar with this and you're able to use the pencil jets with this. So that's it as far as the modification needed. So once again, I mentioned you can buy these with swivels already. I haven't gone far enough to like take out the screws in here and undo this whole attachment from here and try to see if any other connections work. I'm just gonna keep it like this, but then I just simply attach it onto any water-fed pole that has a Euro threaded tip on it, and boom, I'm all ready to go. I'll have my hose coming out of here and I can attach to either or as far as that goes. So just want to give you guys a quick overview of how to do that and how to use one of the new Unger Nlight brushes with any pole that has the Euro threading. So basically you can make this fit any pole that you want because every pole has the ability to have a Euro thread tip, which means you can make one of these angle adapters work. So I'll put all the fittings in the description, so if you want to do this you can, but I get this question all the time now because these brushes are badass. I mean, they got really sweet bumpers. You know, Unger does stuff that looks really, really nice. You know, I don't know the durability. I haven't used them long enough for that, but I really wanted to make this vid for a while. So I hope that helps you in fitting your Unger Nlight brush onto any of your poles, especially Xero poles that have just a Euro thread. Talk soon. Peace.